Your physician has prescribed a biocompression sequential circulator for your treatment. This video will guide you through the setup of the 8-chamber sequential circulator from start to finish. Always reference the instruction manual for a complete understanding of operations and precautions for your pump and garment. Let's get started. First, unpack your biocompression pump and take out all of the components. The carton and end caps should be saved for future transporting, shipping, or reuse. Make sure you have the following items in the box: a sequential circulator pump, blocker bars for use during single garment therapy, a power cord, and instructions for use. Your garments may have been shipped separately and are necessary for operation and treatment. Before we start, choose a location to set up your pump. Place the pump on a flat, sturdy surface in close proximity to a reclining chair, bed, or sofa where you will be comfortable during treatment. Attach the power cord to the back of the pump and then plug it into an outlet. This sequential circulator has a power switch, a pressure knob, 16 air supply ports, blocker bars. Leave the blocker bars in place to block airflow if you're treating only one limb. If you are using 2 garments, you won't need the blocker bars, but you should store them safely for future use. Now it's time to attach the garments. The Quick Connect system makes it easy to connect the tubes from your garments to the pump. Line up the chamber numbers 1 through 4 on the latch connector with the corresponding numbers on the pump. With the numbers facing up, squeeze the clip and insert into the port. Then attach the second connector with corresponding numbers 5 through 8. Then attach the other connectors with corresponding numbers similarly. Wear light, loose-fitting clothing under the compression sleeves. This is both hygienic and will avoid irritation. Clothing should be free of zippers, buttons, or other items that could rub or chafe the skin or damage the sleeves. Avoid wearing jeans or constricting clothing. To don leg garments, carefully unzip it. Place your heel at the bottom and back and use the pull straps to guide the sleeve onto your leg. Then pull the zipper up to secure the garment. To don arm garments, slide your arm through the internal cavity of the sleeve. Make sure that your fingers are comfortably inside the sleeve. Your hands should be flat. Be sure to put on your garments before powering on the pump. Simply press the power switch to turn the pump on. Within several seconds, it will start to blow air. The air pressure has been predetermined by your doctor and has likely already been set. To make an adjustment, first unscrew the lock on the pressure knob. Then turn the knob to the prescribed setting and lock it again. In the event of a power failure, the pump will shut down. There is no battery backup and the pump doesn't have time memory. In this situation, please detach the garment from the pump to deflate. Once set, the pump will automatically inflate each chamber to the proper pressure. Sequential pumps with gradient pressure have proven to be the best devices for reducing the amount of excess fluid in a limb in a comfortable and efficient manner. Our pumps mimic the action of your own body by providing a pumping action from distal to proximal, allowing excess fluids to be reabsorbed by your body, thus providing reduced pain, improved lymphatic and vascular flow, wound healing, prevention of infection, effective prophylaxis for venous thrombosis, and reduced dynamic edema, all while improving your quality of life. Treatment time has been determined by your physician. And remember, if your doctor has prescribed bilateral treatment, you can do that simultaneously. Simply press the power switch to turn off the pump. It may take a few seconds to power down completely. Do not unplug the power cord. To expedite the deflation, simply bend your limb. Once the garment is loose enough, unzip and remove it. Wait until the pump light has gone off and your sleeve has begun to deflate before removing your garment. Thank you for choosing biocompression. We hope to improve your quality of life starting today. Should you have further questions, contact your local provider.